Hi, Tweety Bird here. Today we're talking about food. But before I get started, down below in the description we have links for you to follow, and we have several playlists for you to investigate. What we're doing with food today is making salad dressings, two different kinds. One is the vinaigrette, and so you would use 3 parts oil, runny liquid oil, like any type of brand you want, to 1 part vinegar or lemon juice, and to those you would add fresh herbs or mustard or garlic, any kind of spices that intrigue you. Put them all in the same bowl or jar, stir them around or shake them, and you've got vinaigrette. Now, the other type of salad dressing is Thousand Island. You use 1 part mayonnaise, 1 part ketchup, and 1/2 part sprinkle in a little garlic, a little onion powder, and you stir it all up and you've got some wonderful Thousand Island dressing. That's it for this. If you enjoyed this tip, give us a thumbs up. If you want more tips on all kinds of prepping, subscribe. Have a blessed day. Angels all around. Thanks for stopping by.